Hello, I'm in the car. So anyway, meron kaming video that we recorded on YouTube, ako at si Kiefer Ravena. We talked about yung... Oh, nawala yung ilaw. We talked about yung who are the possible coaches that can coach Gilas for the SEA Games. Now, I'm thinking it's gonna be an all-UAAP team kasi the reason why Coach Tim doesn't want to coach Gilas on December is because it's gonna be in the middle of the Philippine Cup ng PBA, and sabi niya na he's not gonna let go of Ginebra. Of course, they have something to prove, especially in the Philippine Cup, the 50th season. So, gets ko rin naman, but ayaw niya coach yung Gilas during that time if hindi naman daw yung mga players niya yung ibibigay sa kanya. So, we could be looking at an all-college team. So, with that, who do you think are the coaches na pwede consider for December? Tapos ng UAP at NCAA season by then. And who are your 12-man lineups? 12-man daw sa SEA Games with not one import. Not one FSA. With one naturalized guy. So siguro si Brownlee pwede, Ange Kwame pwede. So yun, only one of those guys. Kasi yun yung rules na follow for SEA Games. And as you can see, that's a thumbnail. You could check out who are yung mga picks namin na coaches. We didn't get to say who the players are. So kayo na bahala dun. Anyway, hope you guys like it. Its link is on the bio. Peace.